We just got a set of Meso Customs new 2024 Tacoma, Sequoia, and Tundra dual color map lights. For some reason, these got lost in transit for almost a month. We finally got them. We're gonna go out to the Tacoma, show you guys how to install these things from start to finish, what comes in the package, how to remove the light, get them in, and enjoy the functionality of more light. Before we go out and install these things, I wanna show you guys what comes within the package, which I already took out because I was throwing it around. But in each package, you're gonna get the 2 dome lights, a specific wiring harness, and then a plug and play feature that Meso does a phenomenal job doing, so there's no gimmicks, there's no variables. You get what you get. It's plug and play, ready to go in. And then for the dual color dome light, pop these out. Woo. This is the dome light. It's also dual function. It's pretty nice. You got the little Meso board in the back and then a plethora of diodes on the front that will illuminate both white and red. Should be a super simple, easy install. So let me show you guys how to do it. You might be wondering why I have this thing in my hand. Well, I thought I could just jump into it, pull the frame. Hopefully I was just gonna be able to pop those out. It's not how it is. With this thing up there, you're gonna wanna grab from the back side. These 2 red clips are going to release from the head, from the frame, and then these 2 parts just come out. Then you're going to have a plug right here, which is this one right here, and then with this plug, you're going to unplug it from the plate, I guess. And we're going to take this thing inside. We're going to need some Torx screwdrivers and a drill bit, and we're going to get these lights installed. And take all my toys that I almost broke. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're back in the operating room. Actually, we're just, on the vinyl table. We got the thing that we're gonna be working on. This is the part that I ripped out, and I'm pretty sure I'm missing a piece, but I won't know until I get it off. But we need to remove the rim first, so I got my little knife. There's 6 little clips. 2 on the side, 2 on the front and back. That it feels like there's more than that you need to release. Modify your Toyotas. Frames off. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus a few of these like retainer ones. Then this did go right here. I think I got it. Okay, that comes off. Then you're gonna need, we're gonna use a basically 3/8 bit, a little smaller than a 3/8. Let's see, it's a 19/64. And then the other part you're gonna need, the T20. You got 2 screws right here that kind of hold this whole thing together. You're gonna take off. Geez, still got our tags, bro. Boom. Boom. Oh, perfect. So there's like these like little retaining clips on the side that kind of just keep it notched in there. So you have to pry back the frame a little bit to allow that to come off. And then these guys are gonna clip in right here, but you can tell you need to run the wire through. So right here between the 2 holes and the 1 hole, that's where we're gonna drill our hole. And you wanna make sure that it's wide enough to fit that through. So it looks like this little bit is a wee bit small. So I'll probably end up having to bore them out just a little bit. See if it passes through. Yeah, boy. I did allow it to bore out just a little bit. So we're gonna send this guy through here. Doop. Come on. And then you'll clip the back end in. Ba-doop. Good. Then we want to do the other side. Okay, we'll get those two clipped in. Now we got our lights clipped in, and you can kind of see where this goes through. We're gonna need pass-throughs out the back of this as well. It's clear this on both sides. So we're gonna kind of stick close to the body.
Here, sir.
Now that that's done, now we're gonna feed our wires through. Boom. Ah. Got that. Now we're gonna reinstall our Torx bits. Okay, good. Don't do what I do, kids. Boom. Perfect. Now, this part, you're going to insert the male version from the kit. It just clicks right in nicely. Then we're gonna install our two clips to our dome lights, our map lights. And this wiring can actually just live up here. There's plenty of room up in here. And then this guy we're gonna reinstall into our factory plug-in. So, just take it back out to the truck and finish it up. Okay, I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna install this. Then, oh, they're already turning red. White. White and red. I think that red is pretty sleek. It's done. Pretty decently easy install. I'm not gonna turn this off. For the map lights, now we're gonna cruise back and let's do the dome light. It should be easier. Okay. You videoing?
Yeah.
This one I do know is simple. Bam. Oh boy. What? Pop it up. Get any pressure on it. Boom. Jeez. Now what we're gonna do, this guy right here, needs to be fed up and through. With these little things. There goes this one. Okay. Then we're gonna take this one. I want it to go right there.
Hey.
A little bit of persuasion.
Look at that.
Clip this guy back in. So you have basically your on and off, and then when it's on, you can rotate between the two. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. And then these guys. Done. No need for this frivolous junk anymore. Map lights and dome lights are now installed. If you're wanting this exact upgrade to your Fortune Tacoma, head right over to the website. We have them already on there. Pretty sure we got them in stock too. So check it out.